Hello folks, welcome to Haddonfield, New Jersey. We're at the corner of Kings Highway East and North Haddon Avenue, and now we're going to head this way. So here is J West, and there you go. And so now there's somebody walking. Hello, good morning. So anyway, we will gracefully walk down the Haddonfield here. Flags and people walking. Merry Christmas. Here we have Verona Ristorante Italiano, and here we have somebody jogging. And here's the menu. Pizza Crime. There you go. Maxwell James. Stuart Law. Salon Mandile. Salon for women and men. Guy looks like they put Colin, Farrell and Brad Pitt in a blender. Onward we proceed. Downtown Cookies. They're open. Salads, hoagies, entrees, pizza, snow. Mailbox. The boutique bar sells clothes, not drinks. They lied to us through a sign. Here's the Creperie Cafe, or I don't know how the fuck you say it. I don't know. Celebrate the holidays in comfort. That's why I got new boots, for that reason. Here we have the Lavish Loft. Women's quality consignment. Consignment. And this is an actual statue. That's not one of these street performers that if you put a coin in their bucket, they start dancing and singing and whatnot. No, this is a real statue. So, who knows? All right. Now the thing says I can walk, so I'm gonna walk. It's nice like that. Tell them, letting me go about my day. So now we're here at the Bistro of Haddonfield. I think I'm actually gonna eat here in a minute. But I'm walking by. How do you say there, Flapjack? Haddonfield Vision, Judson Moon Optometrist. That kind of sounds like a hippie's name. High Arts Jewelers Appraisers. Wow. You gotta unload some jewelry. You gotta go see this guy, I guess. I don't know. Harris Barber Company. And then sweeping the ground there. It's good stuff. Crust Fire. That Little Tokyo Sushi Teriyaki. Bob's up there. Onward we go. So now we have Rex Thrift Avenue. So trendy consignments for women. So if you want to be a trendy woman, that's where you go, I guess. And now here's Haddy the dinosaur here. So there, and we already covered all that earlier, but we're covering it again, as I said so. There goes some traffic down Kings Highway here. So I'd give you some bonus traffic. By the way, back up that way at where Haddon Avenue and Kings Highway meet, back in like 1978, a woman ran a red light and hit my dad's truck and slammed my chin into the dashboard. And I remember like oil or some fluid, maybe it was antifreeze coming out of my dad's truck as the woman ran a red light and hit us. So that was actually right up there at that intersection back in, that's probably 78 or 79. There goes the 455 bus to Paulsboro. So who's Paul and why does he have his own borough? I don't know. Let's enjoy the traffic and shut the fuck up. Alright, well, let's see the traffic coming this way now. There they all come. Alright friends, I'm gonna go eat now. I'm gonna go treat myself to a nice New York steak. Alright, thanks for watching.